Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your ordinary photo into a Summoning Succubus animation using a DreamFace app. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and totally perfect for your next spooky edits or Halloween pose. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your DreamFace. If you haven't installed it, just go to Play Store and then just download the app and then just install it. And once installed, just open DreamFace and log in using your Google account. It's quick and simple. And the best part, DreamFace will offers a free plan with weekly free credit, so you can try this effect without paying anything. Next, after you log in, you will be taken to homepage like this, and then just tap on Magic Effect, and then this is where the fun begins. In here, you will see tons of cool styles and animations. But today we're choosing Summoning Succubus. This one, just tap on it. This effect will transform your photo into animations like this. Next, just choose your photo. Just tap on plus button and then just select the clear portrait of yourself, preferably one where your face is fully visible and well lit. And then when you're done, just tap on confirm and then just tap on create. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, you will get the animations like this. And I think the result it looks so realistic and dramatic. Next, you can just tap on save to download your video and then just share it to your social media. It's perfect for adding that Halloween aesthetic for your feed. And okay, that's it. You have just created your own Summoning Succubus animations from a simple photo. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.